One day, I booted up my PS5 and right after startup, there it was, a DualSense update notice. With a jailbroken console, that can feel nerve-wracking. But don't worry, we can handle this safely without touching the firmware. Stick with me and I'll show you how. Let's roll! If by any chance you encounter this after your PS5 boots, simply choose notify me in 24 hours. And if you encounter this, you might have skipped the DualSense wireless controller update. Skipping the DualSense update will leave you pretty limited. You won't be able to control some of the latest games. And since most gamers with a jailbroken PS5 prefer to keep everything offline, your controller needs to catch up too. In this scenario, all you need to do is close the game. Next, we will head over to the PC for some action. You will find the link to this website in the video description. Just download it and install. Make sure you've got your PS5 USB-C cable ready because later in the video, we will be connecting the controller to the PC. Now go to the folder where you saved the downloaded file, right-click it, choose Run as Administrator, hit OK, and proceed with the installation. Don't be concerned about the pending requirement. The installer will supply it for you automatically. Just press install and proceed with the installation as guided. This may not show up on your screen, which means it's already installed on your PC. If it's installed, just skip this step. If not, click install. After the pending runtime finishes installing, simply close its installer. Then the PlayStation Accessories Install Wizard will automatically begin preparing the installation. Click Next. If you want to read through everything, take your time. Otherwise, just accept and continue. Now, click Install. You're doing great so far. It may take a little while before the installation begins, so just be patient, it will start soon. Installation successful! At this point, it's up to you whether you want to launch the app right away or not. It will work either way. For this video, I'll go ahead and launch it. Any option works at this stage. Select one, then proceed by clicking Confirm and Continue. Attach the PS5 DualSense controller to your PC with the PS5 USB-C cable. After it's detected, the app will request an update. Just select Update. Congratulations! The update is complete. To finish, select OK. The controller's firmware is now updated. Once you close the app, the controller will glow solid orange, indicating it's in rest mode. You can safely disconnect it and return to your PS5 to test the updated DualSense controller. Once the update is complete, connect the controller to the PS5 using the USB-C cable. Then press the PS button to pair it back. Returning to the game, the update prompt is gone, which means everything went well. At this point, I can fully take charge again. Well, that's it for this guide. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe. More content is coming your way. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace and love!